Here is a 2-minute run through of 1109 Nottingham Hill Road in Round Rock, Texas. This is a super convenient location, close to Dell, 2 miles from downtown Round Rock, and very close to all of the shopping that you might ever need. As you first come in, you'll notice everything's freshly painted. You have this entryway coming into your living room with a wood fireplace and access to your backyard with a nice built-in bookcase. And you come over here to your dining and kitchen area. The kitchen has tons of storage, open shelves for your displays, and a walk-in pantry. Through here on your way to the garage, you'll see your washer and dryer area with more floating shelves, and this little bonus area that is air conditioned and just off the garage that would make a great place for extra laundry supplies or dropping off your groceries, extra storage and pantry. Here is your garage. And we'll go back in to look at the bedrooms. Bedrooms are nicely set up in a mother-in-law format. So while everybody is close together, you do get some privacy. So we'll start with the 2 secondary bedrooms over on this side. First, there's some hall closet space here also, with a full bathroom with 2 sinks and a shower tub. The first secondary bedroom has a great size, has a window seat here for extra storage and just for cuteness, and a closet door here. Going over to the other secondary bedroom. This is set up like a little office, and you have some more closets with a bifold door in this room. And then we will finish the tour over in the primary bedroom with access to the backyard. So this is a queen size bed to give you some sense of the space in the room. Here's your ensuite bathroom with a dual vanity, a shower tub, and a water closet area, and then a walk-in closet to the side. And going back in so you can see the backyard. It's a quiet, peaceful backyard, ready for somebody to do some bird watching, plant a garden. And behind you there is the Dell campus. So nothing else will ever be there. And if you work at Dell, you'll be very, very close to work.